Hello, good day everyone. For this video, we're gonna learn about input and output. So, we are now going to learn about input. For the example, we want to greet he or she. So, naglagay tayo ng name equals to cell. For this time, mag-output naman tayo, which is gagamitin natin yung print, close, open parenthesis. And then, welcome home. Comma, and then yung name. And then, try nating i-run na ito. So, ayan. Welcome home, cell. So, this time, gusto mo manghingi ng information. Ang syntax ngayon ng program na ito ay yung input. So, maglalagay tayo ng input and then open close parenthesis. Ayan, itatry naman nating i-run ito kung gumagana. Diba wala? Kailangan mong i-type ang pangalan mo. So, ayan. Welcome home, cell. This time, maglalagay tayo ng enter your name. Para hindi naman plain yung ating gagawin, diba? Ngayon, maglalagay naman tayo ng konting para maging maganda naman yung ating kalabasan ng ating program. Then, H equals to input. Pwede din namang H 19. Pwede din H 9. Hindi. Pwede din H input, open close parenthesis, enter your age. Like, parang nasa name lang, ganun. Pwede din ganun. So, ilalagay natin yung outro, ang outro, print function, open close parenthesis, yung apostrophe, welcome home, apostrophe, comma, and then your name, and then apostrophe ulit, and you are, apostrophe, comma, then your age. Then, ganun ulit, years old. Try na natin i-run if nagana yun. Then, ayun na nga. Enter your name, then cell, then yun. Welcome home, cell, and you are 19 years old. And then, try another word that you want. Ganun lang. And then, yun na. Run mo ulit. Then, yun, enter your name, cell, high Crizelle, your age is 19 years old. So ayan, ganun lang naman kung paano gamitin ang input at saka output ng Python programming language.